Hi everyone, you've got the Lapbook Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the Our Stories New France and the Fur Trade Lapbook. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's start with how to fold your lapbook. I'm going to put this off to the side, open it up, and we're going to start with the big corner first and line it up with the middle here. Make sure it's straight along the bottom. And then line up the other side with the top, not with the center line. Line it up with the top part here. So it's going to go over that center line. Just like that. And then do your title page, put it in the middle, and just line it up. Fold one side over the pen. Fold one side over and just draw a line down the middle. Cut it. I'm going to start with this one here. This is your Fort Life. So you've got 3 different pages that go together just like that. Take the top one, tap it along the top, get out your stapler, and just staple along the top. 1 staple, 2 staple. Get your glue, and you're just going to glue the bottom tab. So don't glue these, just this one. Okay, next one is your fil de bois. 2 of them. You're going to take a sharp pen or pencil and poke a hole in the middle of that, just like that. And then line this up, and then poke a hole through there. You can take your little paper fastener, poke through the middle. Lay them flat. Oh, come on. And then glue. Next one we've got is our Fil de Bois, the Voyager timeline. Okay, so it depends on which one your teacher has given you. If she's wanting you to write it in, that's great. If you've got these cutouts, you can cut them out and glue them into the right spots, just depending upon what you're working with. So all this one has to do is be glued on. Okay, next one we've got is our Couleur de Bois et le Voyageur. And same thing, this has your different cards. You've got them all, cut them all out and line them up, tap, tap, tap along the bottom, and then just staple, staple. And then glue. You've got les habitants et les seigneurs. Tight, staple, staple. And this one goes this way. Okay, last one. This one's your vocabulary card. So we've got a whole bunch of vocabulary cards here that you guys can work through finding the definitions for. And there's some blank ones too, so you can choose your own words if you come across words you don't understand. So make sure you cut those out, and we're just going to put them off to the side over here. And I'm going to show you how to fold this one. It's a little bit tricky. So start by folding along that dotted line there. Fold the top down, and then with a pair of scissors, I like to just turn them a little bit on their edge, just like that, and you can just score that line. And then you can use that to tuck in when you're finished folding the edges in, okay? So fold this in first, and then out along that dotted line, and then back in again along this third dotted line, okay? Same thing on this side. So fold in, out, and back in again. Okay, now you're gonna take glue and just on that top flap, I'm gonna put some glue. Okay, and then fold up. Okay, just like that. And then you can stick your vocabulary cards in and tuck your flap in if you so desire. It's easier to do when it's glued down. So glue the back and it goes right here. Okay, and you can tuck your flap in. It's usually not that tricky. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, there you go.